In a river, once, the Gharial dwelt. A creature long and slender, with a snout most rare and fell. A creature of the reeds and marsh, in the heart of the Indian wild. A tale of the Gharial, let us now be told. The Gharial, with eyes that shone like the moon, in the river's current, silently he'd swoon. A solitary life he led, a life of solitude, in a world where his kind were few and few. Now, in the river, a conflict arose. A threat to the Gharial, a fearsome foe. A monstrous crocodile, with scales of darkest hue, seeking to claim the river, and all that it knew. The Gharial, though small, was no cowardly beast. He stood tall, with a spirit that could feast. He knew the river, he knew every bend. He knew the crocodile was a foe he must end. He swam with might, with a resolve unbroken. He charged at the crocodile, with a tenacity unspoken. The crocodile, though fearsome, was no match for the Gharial's might. He was driven away, to the depths of the night. The Gharial, victorious, returned to his home, to the river, where he'd roam. A lesson learned, a victory won. A tale of the Gharial, forever begun. The Gharial, though small, had shown them all that size does not mean everything, standing tall. A creature of the marsh, a symbol so bright. The Gharial, a beacon in the river's light. In the end, the Gharial, a testament of will. A symbol of courage, a reminder of the still. A creature once alone, now a symbol strong. In the river, where the Gharial belongs.